For over 4,000 years, castor oil has been known for its medicinal properties, particularly as a laxative and for the relief of constipation. But in recent years, it has also been used as a natural ingredient in beauty and skincare products. It's quite interesting to know how the transition from medicinal to aesthetics occurred. So let us guide you in learning more about castor oil and how it has become the modern woman's secret beauty weapon. Castor oil is produced from the seeds of the castor oil plant. Castor oil uses extend beyond medicinal and aesthetics as it is also used in the industrial and pharmaceutical sectors. It has also been scientifically proven to benefit the body by facilitating healthy digestion, boosting the immune system, and improving body circulation. So what is in castor oil that is so beneficial? The answer is ricinoleic acid, omega-9 and other fatty acids. Let's take a look at each one. Ricinoleic acid. Enriched with a high dose of this ingredient, castor oil has been effective as an antibacterial and antifungal agent. This explains why people experiencing hair loss and baldness related to bacteria and fungi have found a solution in castor oil. Omega-9 and other fatty acids. A lot of the aesthetic uses of castor oil have been made possible with these ingredients. Omega-9 and other fatty acids help nourish the hair follicle, as well as the scalp as it allows penetration of fatty acids deep into the surrounding skin, pores, and follicles. But of course, castor oil uses extend beyond what it can do to your hair. Find out why it has been considered as a modern woman's beauty secret. Here's a rundown of the beauty benefits of castor oil that will expose you to its uses. 1. Use it as a facial cleanser. OCM or oil cleansing method to wash the face has been a thing in recent years. And castor oil, specifically pure, cold-pressed castor oil appears to be a preferred choice for this cleansing method. It works as a natural astringent and is powerful enough to get rid of skin impurities. Lastly, this ingredient actually works well for a range of skin types, including oily or combination skin. 2. Grow fuller lashes and brows. Have you experienced problems with overplucked eyebrows? Or are your arches naturally sparse? With castor oil, you can grow full eyebrows with regular application. But it doesn't end there. It can also be applied to your eyelashes so you can have longer and thicker lashes. 3. Prevent stretch marks. Stretch marks are very unsightly. For sure, you'd want to find a way to stay free from them. The good thing is castor oil can prevent stretch marks. It even helps reduce their appearance because of their deep moisturization properties. While it reduces feelings of itchiness, it can also fade those scars and make them less noticeable. 4. Help reduce acne symptoms. Do you cringe at the thought of having pus-filled pimples and painful bumps on your face and even body? This may be common in teenagers, but it doesn't mean that all adults will be free from the dilemma of acne. Fortunately, castor oil has properties that can help diminish acne symptoms. Its anti-inflammatory characteristic plays a crucial role in preventing the development of acne and controlling its severity. Its antibacterial and antimicrobial properties, on the other hand, help fight bacterial growth. 5. Keep lips healthy and moisturized. Due to its moisturizing effects, you can say goodbye to problems with dry lips, especially during seasons when the air is dry. Also, even when a small amount of castor oil is applied on the lips, it will leave your lips not just moisturized but also plump and smooth. 6. Smooth frown lines and wrinkles. With the natural healing compounds found in castor oil, it can help smooth frown lines and wrinkles, similar to what vitamins and minerals do. There are compounds found in castor oil, including oleic acid, palmitic acids, stearic acid, and ricinoleic acid, that have been used as a health supplement in skin serum since ancient times. Moreover, the antioxidants in castor oil help in getting rid of the free radicals in the body to reduce the onset of aging and help in reducing the appearance of wrinkles. 7. Heal wounds fast. With a combination of moisturizing, antimicrobial, and antibacterial properties, studies reveal that castor oil is effective in fighting a range of bacteria, even the most dangerous types like Staphylococcus aureus. By eliminating bacteria in the body, castor oil can help in wound healing and prevent the occurrence of mild to serious skin infections. 8. Relieve inflammation and puffiness. Skin inflammation and puffiness are never welcomed. If you have been searching for a remedy for this, you'll find an ally in castor oil. Packed with anti-inflammatory properties, this natural oil can help reduce swelling and puffiness. It works as effective in treating inflamed pimples as in making eye bags and under-eye puffiness less visible. 9. Soothe sunburn. In search of a sunburn remedy? Castor oil can help. Its anti-inflammatory properties work well in reducing pain and redness caused by overexposure to the sun. It also comes with moisturizing properties that penetrate deep enough to provide relief for sunburnt lips. 10. Pamper your nails. Enriched with antiviral, antifungal, and antibacterial properties, you can have an instant nail treatment with castor oil. With this natural oil mixed with 1 part Epsom salt and 3 parts water, you will not have reasons to worry about weak nails and even free yourself from the worry of annoying fungal infections that may affect nail beds and cuticles, and also cause brittle nails. As you can see, castor oil is often considered a remedy for relieving constipation. However, it can do so much more than that. From helping you regrow and strengthen your hair, to healing wounds, castor oil uses and benefits are numerous. Since its first uses in ancient Egypt, the various castor oil uses and benefits are popular with people around the world. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 13 Wonder Castor Oil health benefits and beauty uses. Thanks for watching and bye for now.